Myntri Rangbah ukondot ke sangmaha ka arpoi terik jeliu lalum ya barok ki deputy commissioner jangki district ha kajingelang ban penkre ban ya kendu ikinu kijing beki bon Mariang kila ban lenshop ha ki district jangki ha kani ke por liur. Myntri Rangbah ula Kyntu ikidisi bat ikitanat ban penkre bat penbiang lupai ki jingdon kam jangki paipa ki marba mardi kila jingirap kerki ha ban lenshop ke eryong ulabba ke jing shlei ne ke jing tua jangki surok ne ki yingkisem. Ulo ongru bat amla ban tip lupa ye ki bor Mariang hakani ke por liur.
As the monsoon has already approached and we are seeing heavy rainfalls and heavy winds in many parts of the state, we conducted a review meeting today along with all the concerned departments like revenue, disaster management and food and service supplies, health, along with all the deputy commissioners of the different districts. This review has been done to look into all the damages and the loss of lives and the different challenges that the districts are facing and the public are facing at the ground level, and also to review the steps that have been taken by the district administration, and more importantly also to ensure that we make necessary arrangements and prepare for the coming days in which we expect that the rainfall could be more and heavier, and in such eventuality the district administration and the overall departments should be ready to ensure that all the necessary steps and all the relief is given to the people. So with that in mind, we have conducted and we have had a review meeting today, and it was a very positive meeting, and the necessary steps are being taken as we speak to ensure that administration and the officials and the departments are ready to ensure that all the support is given during different situations and heavy floods and heavy winds and cyclones that we may face in the coming days and coming weeks and months.